My landlord makes me push my bike past the gate of the property before I start it. He says there have been complaints. No motorcycles and no diesel trucks allowed. But guess what kind of truck he drives? Our whole world is just one tangled web of rules. And it's only putting people to sleep. I mean, I think people behave how you treat them. You treat a person like a docile caged animal, and they'll probably act like a docile caged animal. All stuck within the confines of the beautiful system. Maybe that's why I like things with a bit of risk. Maybe like a crack in the cage, a place to exist between the lines. Most people disapprove of motorcycles. And they all think they're being super original when they inform me that motorcycles are dangerous. You should be careful. I know they're dangerous. Like sometimes I'll be riding the bike and I'll just suddenly have this realization that like I shouldn't be doing this. But at the same time, it's the danger that even makes it worthwhile. I mean, if it wasn't dangerous, would it even be fun? And I'm not trying to prove anything to anybody, but I don't want to live in fear. I think I'd rather dance with that thing that scares me than simply ignore it. Sometimes when I'm feeling a little crazy or the chaos of the city is getting to me, I'll hop on my bike, I'll ride to the top of a big mountain, and I'll just sit there until the weight burns off a bit. You can just see things from up there that you can't see from down below. And I don't even mean see with your eyes. My problems like to melt on the top of mountains. Things that seemed big just get smaller up there. I don't like to talk about things that most people like to talk about. Sports, politics, the news. It's not that I don't think those things matter. It's just that I feel like people get too wrapped up in things they have no control over. Instead, talk to me about the way the wind sounds in the trees, or the way that the clouds cast shadows on the mountains, or the way that the light falls on a person's face right before sunset. So, what's the point of this video? To be honest, I'm not even sure. Maybe there's no lessons here, except you probably shouldn't ride motorcycles. They are much too dangerous. You should probably just stay at home on your couch where it's safe.